Here at BlueCotton, we have 10 Bitcoin miners that are constantly mining Bitcoin and validating the transactions. The BlueCotton Bitcoin Initiative is pretty amazing because it gives us a chance to learn as well as participate in the Bitcoin network.
We wanted to rethink our employee benefits and just do something kind of out on the curve. Lots of companies do X, Y, and Z, and if we're going to be unique, attract talent or whatever, we need to do something that's different. And so we came up with the idea of, hey, what if we invested in Bitcoin to give to our employees? We are long-term thinkers. We want to bring people in like that. We want to really enforce the benefit of long-term investing. We're teaching people that, you've got to have the stomach for investing. That means there's ups and there's downs. And so we want to use this opportunity to teach and to educate, but also to attract people that are interested in innovative technologies and things that move societies forward. And I recognize this is somewhat of a bet. There's no sure thing, but I believe Bitcoin is an asymmetric bet that has the opportunity to change the trajectory of these people's families. And so we made a big splash, we made a big investment because we want to make a difference in their lives.
The Bitcoin Initiative is a great incentive for employees to start here and to stay here for the long run.